Mastering take, took, and taken in English. A guide to understanding different uses of take, took, and taken. Introduction to take. Take, took, and taken are versatile verbs in English. This lesson explains how to use them in various contexts, such as expressing time, transportation, and more. By the end, you'll understand the differences and be able to use them confidently. Take with time. Take is commonly used to describe the time required for an action. It takes Alan 20 minutes to get to work. I go to school every day. It takes me 30 minutes. How long does it take to get to the station? 15 minutes in a taxi. Take with courses or exams. Take is often used with courses, exams, or lessons. Are you taking an English course? Do you have to take an exam? Yes, at the end of the course. I want to take some Japanese lessons. Take with bus, car, etc. Take is used to talk about transportation. How do you get to work? I take the bus. In Paris, you can take the metro to the Eiffel Tower. Nick takes the train to work. Take something with you. Take can mean bringing an item with you. Are you going out? Take an umbrella, it's raining. Are you going to the beach? Take some water with you. Useful phrase, can I take a photograph here? Additional examples and tips. More examples. Take can mean grabbing an opportunity, take a chance. For completing tasks, take a test or take a break. Tip, keep a notebook of common phrases with take to expand your usage. Conclusion. Mastering take, took, and taken will improve your English fluency. Practice using these forms in everyday conversation, and soon you'll feel more confident in applying them naturally. Thanks for watching. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more grammar tips. And if you have any questions or need more examples, drop them in the comments below. See you in the next video. Click here to subscribe. To watch our previous lessons, click here.